Writing and sharing your expertise online can be a powerful tool to connect with clients, increase your search engine optimization, and showcase your knowledge. With the article feature in your agent portal, you can easily create and post articles that reflect your insights and experiences. Here's a quick guide to using this feature effectively. First of all, you can write your own content by clicking this plus icon in the upper right-hand corner. You have the option to write directly within the article space provided in your agent portal, or alternatively, if you prefer to work offline, you can write your article in another program like Word and then cut and paste your content into the article area. Secondly, you can use the AI Assistance button. If writing isn't your strength, or you simply want to speed up the process, take advantage of the AI tools available in the portal. Click the Record Notes with AI button to dictate your article, and AI will transcribe your words, or use the Enhance Text with AI feature to improve the flow and readability of your content. For example, I've put together a very basic outline about insurance, what it is, how it works, and how it's important to consult a licensed agent during the decision-making process. I've copied and pasted that here. And now when I click the Enhance Text with AI button, you can see here that now the end result is much better than what we started with. And finally, you can post your article. Once you're satisfied with your content, review it for any final edits. When everything looks good, click Post to share your article with your audience. By utilizing these tools, you can easily share your expertise with your clients and grow your online presence. Note the key is frequency regarding posting, so I suggest posting at a minimum of once a month.